Okay, water is boiling. We're going to add 2 cups of our butter or egg noodles. Eight minutes, that's going to be done. Put it on medium. The carrots are tender, so let's add our peas and some mushrooms. Ever since I read the mushrooms are supposed to be good for the brain, I've been eating all the mushrooms I can eat. Don't know if it's helped any. Don't think those peas are on the bottom as much as they could be. Get them down there. Get down there. We're almost ready to make our sauce. This is my powdered milk that I make up in a yogurt cup. I'm just pouring out 2/3 of a cup. And I'm going to be adding some roux to that pot over there. As soon as we get rid of the pasta, we use that pot to make our sauce. And this is the roux. I made up some roux yesterday. That's my 8-minute timer. This is just flour and oil. 1 tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of oil. Now, it's been 8 minutes, so I think our egg noodles are fine. We're just going to drain them in a colander in the sink. Now, turn off the heat on the back burner. Slide these over. Pour in about half of our milk. Add a little bit of that roux. Just want to thicken up everything. I know from experience I like a little bit of salt at this point for when I'm making a gravy. Okay, it's starting to thicken up now. I'm going to add a little more milk. Add the rest of the milk. See what it tastes like. So a little more milk. Okay, if you didn't want to go to the trouble of making a white sauce, you could just add some cream of mushroom soup. I think we're ready. We're going to put this on the pan here. Everything's nice and tender, ready to eat. Get out our can of tuna that we've been saving. This was packed in water. This particular brand, for the price, is actually very good. It is the Walmart brand Chunk Light, in water. It's not too expensive, but it's not too cheap. It's just right in between. Now, add a little cream sauce. Where'd our big spoon go? There we go. And this is what we're going to pour over our egg noodles. And if you're trying to cut down on your cholesterol, you don't need to add any butter to your noodles. This is going to be plenty enough goodness. I might have had too many carrots. And no salad olives. Okay. Turn off the heat. So this is my dinner for this evening. I've never made this before. It's fresh frozen peas, fresh carrots, tuna, a little bit of dried onion, some garlic powder, parsley flakes, a little bit of red pepper flakes, some coconut oil, and mushrooms. So there you go, guys. I think this looks pretty good. And you could add cheese if you like. So, see how it tastes. The noodles are perfect. Tuna tastes good. There isn't anything a little salad olives couldn't improve. All right. I don't know what to call this, but it's pretty good. And it's quick, easy, cheap. You might want to give it a shot. Guys, I put on stuff every week. I have a playlist of cooking videos, of recipes. A lot of them are mine, but a lot of them are other people that I like a lot. Their videos, and you want to check them out. So I'll leave a link to it in the video description. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.